At about 300 earthquakes have struck beneath Mount Rainier in Washington state, the largest seismic swarm since 2009. And the scientists have urged calm, but rising concerns also include the threat of a mega tsunami should a catastrophic event unfold. No immediate signs of danger, but the earth is rumbling and the warnings are growing louder. Take a look at this report.
The ground is shaking and not quietly. In just a matter of days, over 300 tremors have been recorded beneath Mount Rainier, one of the most closely watched volcanoes in North America. It's the largest seismic swarm in nearly 2 decades, and it's sending shockwaves not just through the crust but through public consciousness. Seismologists are actively monitoring the situation. They maintain that this series of mini quakes are likely caused by hydrothermal fluids interacting with pre-existing faults within the volcano's normal background levels of activity. But beneath the surface, a more dangerous plot is unfolding. A recent study has raised alarm about the potential for a catastrophic mega tsunami that could devastate significant portions of the United States west coast. Recent simulations published in Nature Scientific Reports warn that even a moderate undersea quake in the region could unleash mega tsunami. The area of focus is on the Cascadia subduction zone, a 600-mile-long fault line stretching from northern Vancouver Island in Canada to northern California in the US, which poses a significant seismic threat. Researchers say that a megaquake could make parts of the coastline sink by up to 6.5 feet, which could create waves of up to 100 feet tall, striking cities like Seattle, Vancouver, and Portland within minutes. The fault has the capability to produce a magnitude 9 earthquake, and a large trembler is expected there at least once every 450 to 500 years on average. The last of those major quakes occurred in 1700. But for now, there is no immediate danger of an earthquake, and the studies are on to better understand the dynamics. Bureau Report, WION World is One.